Looking to turn on the auto delete screenshot option to keep your Samsung phone's storage free? In this video, I'll show you how to enable the auto delete feature for screenshots on your device. Let's get started. First, go to the settings, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on advanced features. Now scroll down again. Find out the screenshots and screen recordings option, then tap on it. After that, you will see the delete after sharing option. Now simply toggle it on. Now take a screenshot. Tap on share from the below. Choose your share media. Send this image to any friend. After that, go to your gallery. Take the screenshot you took a few seconds ago. You can't find the screenshot because it's deleted after sharing. I hope this video helped you. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching.